You're here to make Nuka Cola. Now, I've already made Nuka Cola once, and I made Nuka Quantum as well. I've also made Nuka Victory. I've also made Nuka Quartz at this point. I am the Fallout man at this point. I mean, hate to say it, I don't think anyone's making better Fallout cocktails than me right now. I haven't touched Nuka Orange or Grape yet. I think they're iconic flavors. I just hadn't had time, so let's do it today. I have a fresh bottle of Nuka Cola syrup. Now, it could be really fun to make this all over again, or I could send you over to my old video where I created it super simply. That's gonna end up being the base for both Nuka Cola cocktails, obviously. Like, it's Nuka Cola syrup, it's delicious, it's authentic, it's what we need here. So without any further ado, let's start making Nuka Orange. Start with 2 ounces of Nuka Cola syrup. Now that sounds crazy, probably because it kind of is, but bear with me, guys. We need this to be authentic, it's sugary, it's delicious. And we're gonna do 3 ounces of whiskey. This bottle's 22 ounces. If we wanna come anywhere close to filling it up, we're gonna need that much. So let's get our 3 ounces of whiskey. So this is where I think I'm gonna lose a lot of people. Sunny D's delicious. I don't care what you say. Let's toss in 6 ounces of Sunny D. We're gonna try and get some of that orange color back because we lost it with all that Nuka Cola syrup. I don't know if it's gonna be possible, but we're gonna try. Next, we're gonna add in an ounce of orange syrup. Amaretti makes a great one. This is kind of just going over the top. If I'm being honest, you don't need to go this hard. Now I'm gonna crack some ice in here. And we're gonna give this a good shake. Now I'm a little nervous about this orange color. We're not quite there, but I don't think it's gonna be unfixable. There we go. Let's top it with, oh man, Sunkissed is so delicious. It's just so bad for you. But anyway, let's toss in probably about 10 ounces of this brightly colored orange deadliness. So you guys have probably seen my Fallout content before. It's one of my most popular series by far. The worst part about making Fallout drinks in this bottle, the foam all goes to the top, and the short form videos end up being like 5-10 minutes long because I add a little bit of soda, I stop, I wait for the foam, I add a little bit of soda, I stop, I wait for the foam, and it's a very fun game. There you have it. Let's toss a lid on it because I love being authentic like that. There is your first look. Nuka Orange, I mean, it's a little dim if we're being honest. Ivan does amazing color grade stuff, but he also can make things look really pretty. Let's make it glowing Nuka Orange like the actual TV show, or I mean video games. Better is the real or better is the fake. But without further ado, let's try it. I think we're finally good on the foam. I genuinely am happy with the color here. Cheers to Nuka Orange. Dude, say what you want about Sunny D, but they won this one. Sunny D, I think, is the reason this is so bomb. Like refreshing, fresh orange juice wouldn't have been it in this. I think the artificial flavor of Sunny D, we got obviously the Sunkissed. I don't think it's as artificial as Sunny D is. When you're thinking of Nuka Cola, guys, that's why I used Sunny D. Nuka Cola Corp doesn't give a rat's ass about you, me, anyone in the Fallout universe. They are the scumbags of the world. They would put anything in those drinks. And putting Sunny D is so fitting, yet it's so refreshing, and it's a sugary drink, don't get me wrong. We put 3 ounces of syrup in here, and we got the Sunkissed full sugar. But that's what Nuka Cola is about. Nuka Orange, you are an absolute winner. I'm gonna rank it before we move on to Nuka Grape. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It's just so smooth. Color-wise, I'm gonna drop it down, I guess a half score to 8.5, but it just tastes so good. I'm keeping it at a 9. 9 is what it deserves. Let's make Nuka Grape now. Now we're on to Nuka Grape. We're gonna follow the same basic recipe. We're gonna do 2 ounces of this delicious Nuka Cola syrup. Yes, it's sweet, but that's the point. I saw someone holding their jigger like this. I thought it'd be fancy like that. Kind of cool, kind of cool. It's not that cool, it's actually really lame. I think that is the weirdest part about bartenders. We're gonna do 3 ounces. There's people, I'm gonna do it on this one, guys. Check this out. There's this one guy, I saw him do it once. He goes like this. And then, I don't know what the hell these people are doing. I'm a full-blown hater on showmanship for drinks. Like, we're just drinking alcohol, guys. You know, I say that, and then I'm like, let's flip this lime in here, and I get it. But honestly, like, why? Like, I'm having fun with it. These dudes are as serious as can be. And we're using juice from 3 limes. That is because we're using so much sugar This one's gonna be a little bit more balanced than the last one, but it's also gonna have more sugar than the last one, so it needs this balance. So we're at 1.25 ounces. Dump that in. Now we're just gonna do 1 ounce of grape syrup. You know what? Let's do 1.5 ounces. It's not gonna give you that purple color. That's not why I'm overdoing it. It's simply because I think it needs it. Grab our Nuka-Cola bottle, grab our strainer, and let's pour this out. It's not gonna be purple at all, just so we're clear. I guess it's a little more purple than I was expecting. Here's where the real purple comes in. So I was kind of debating on this one. Last time I made these Nuka-Colas, I used mostly club soda, but I just don't think we can get those colors with club soda if we're using the Nuka-Cola syrup. So I'm gonna load this up with purple Mountain Dew, which I forgot it's not very purple. This is gonna be ugly. Is that grape? Not at all. Color-wise, I'm gonna deduct myself quite a few points. Let's give it a little stir. Also, I wonder why the Mountain Dew didn't fizz up as bad as the soda did. Cheers, Nuka Grape. You are ugly, but maybe accurate. I really love this Mountain Dew, despite how sugary it is. And it's got those nice berry flavors. It does have grape in there. It also has plum. So I think when you pair that with the Nuka-Cola syrup and the grape syrup, you're mostly getting grape with like a hint of plum in the background. And again, going back to like Nuka Corp being a terrible corporation, Mountain Dew clearly does not care about their customers. Like, I mean, 270 calories and 20 ounces, that just seems excessive and unnecessary. I feel like we could make a very delicious drink that isn't 146% of your daily sugar and 73 grams of sugar. What are we doing this for, Mountain Dew? Why don't you guys chill? I love Mountain Dew, but like, just cool it, man. Getting off topic, this is a really refreshing drink. It tastes very grapey, very soda-y. It's just refreshing. I actually like this just as much as orange. I'm gonna give this another 9. This time I do have to deduct points though. It's not purple in the slightest. What I would maybe do if you were doing this for a party, you're making a big batch of it, toss in some purple food dye, why not? No reason not to use food dye, guys. I was actually really against food dye when I started making cocktails. And then I realized so many liqueurs and so many syrups that you buy in the store, they're falsely dyed. And if you don't have a problem with that, I don't have a problem with that, use food dye. And if you want more natural looks, don't use stuff like Mountain Dew. Don't use stuff with artificial dyes. But on my page and my stomach, I love artificial dye. But there it is, guys. That is Nuka Grape and Nuka Orange all in one video, all wrapped up in one nice little tidbit for you. If you still need help, remember, I made Nuka-Cola syrup before. Video's linked below, check it out. In the meantime, let me know what Fallout drinks I should make next. Should I try and recreate every single flavor of Nuka-Cola? Should I fix grape? I don't think so, because it tastes delicious, but I love your comments. I try and read every single one, even you trolls out there. I read what you have to say too. Sometimes I reply because you deserve it. And yeah, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a subscription, and share this video with someone. I mean, share with Fallout fans for sure. See you guys in the next video.